Hello, Port St. Lucie. I wanted to reach out during this uncertain time to let you know that the City of Port St. Lucie is here for you. I also wanted to take time to answer some questions that I know our residents have right now. Almost 2 weeks ago, the Port St. Lucie City Council and the St. Lucie County Commission both declared a local state of emergency amid the increasing number of COVID-19 cases throughout the nation and the state of Florida. As of this filming on the afternoon of March 27th, St. Lucie County currently has 12 positive COVID-19 cases, and very unfortunately, today we received the sad news that we now have 1 death in our county. In light of those numbers, I've heard many residents inquire about whether there is a local stay-at-home order. While we do not have an official order in place, I would strongly encourage all of our residents and business owners to make the personal choice to increase their level of response to this evolving situation. We need to work together as a community if we are to make significant headway in flattening the curve. Please follow the guidance of the Center for Disease Control. I would encourage you not to gather in groups larger than 10 people. And when you do, please maintain a 6 feet separation. Please do not travel around the city unless for essential services like food, pharmacy, and to and from work. If you run a business, please think of new ways to limit your interaction with the public. I've heard of businesses in our community that take orders either on their website or by phone and then meet the customer outside so the customers don't have to come into their business. If you need to limit meetings and are able to function by working online, that's a great idea and it limits your exposure to COVID-19. Here at the City of Port St. Lucie, we've received questions about why we close many public places, including boat ramps, playgrounds, dog parks, and the Saints Golf Course. The answer is simple. We're doing our part for the health and safety of our residents to limit access to places where people may gather in groups of more than 10 people. While we're keeping our services running, we've come up with new ways to work virtually and keep your local government available to you at all times. For example, our building department is conducting some inspections through apps like FaceTime. We've also allowed all building permit applications to be conducted online, and we urge our customers to take advantage of these remote services. Many employees are working from home, and we're hoping this transition is so seamless that you would not know if they were at home or at City Hall. In addition, while we know that face-to-face communication is usually best, we know that is not possible right now. So we're using technology to allow the public to submit comments online and presenters to appear virtually at our public meetings. We're using technology to hold meetings to keep our community moving forward the best we can in the midst of this ongoing situation. We had our first test this week. City Council's meeting used this technology and it worked extremely well. We'll be using the similar technology for our plan board and for future meetings of the council. The city's website is a wonderful resource, not only for how to access PSL services that might normally be connected in person, but also has very up-to-the-minute information about resources for the community and businesses. Please visit cityofpsl.com/COVID-19. The city's One PSL customer service app, website and phone number 772-871-1775 allows you to reach a person at City Hall 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're encouraging all residents to please utilize this very important resource. I know this is a very stressful time for many of our residents, but we all need to do our best to obey the CDC guidelines, limit our in-person interactions to essential functions, don't meet in groups of 10 or more, and keep your physical distance to 6 feet or more. This is what will make a difference and save lives in our great community. Thank you.